Hello everybody, this is Welton Hunt over here. I want to share with you a few easy ways to find a link to send to families to leave you a Google review for your business. Google didn't make it super easy, but there's a few ways you can do that. One is, for example, you can log in to your Google My Business account, right? You just go on google.com/business. On the homepage, once you scroll down, you will see something called Get More Reviews, Share Review Form. You can go ahead and click on this and share via email, and you will get a URL over here. You can copy and paste this right inside the email, and that's a link. And when somebody click on that, right, they can leave you a review directly. It bypasses everything, just go straight to the review page for you, for your business. Next, the reason I record this video is because of the owner from Brian Mark reached out. So since I do not know what is his login and password to his Google Business account, if he does, that's a way to log in, right, and then get the request review link. And you can get it for Facebook and Twitter as well. But what if you don't know how to log into your Google My Business account? There's a couple ways. Of course, you can Google your own business, go ahead and hit on leave a review, write a review. You can copy this long link, Control-C, and you will see, right, it's a very, very long URL string. Then, of course, you can go to bit.ly and shorten that link. And then go ahead and create and copy paste that super long URL. And you can copy the shortener now. So when somebody click on this, it sends directly to leave a review. And there's one more way that might be the easiest of all, is just Google review generator, and you will see a Google review link generator from WhiteSpark. This one's very easy to use. All you have to do is type in your business name. So let's try Brian Mark Funeral Home. They have 2 locations. Of course, each one will have its own link. But let's get this one first. Here's your review link. Copy this one, and you can paste it in the body of the email. Then somebody just need to click on this and leave your review. Right? It sends them directly here. So 3 ways, depends on which one you found easy. Right? This one is if you know how to log into your Google My Business account. This one is through bit.ly. The third one is just using WhiteSpark's Google review link generator. And Google wants you to solicit reviews. So Google makes it a little bit easy for you, and they love it if you can ask for more reviews. So I would definitely send it out via email, and if you could, also text it out to the families for them to leave you a review. Good luck getting more positive reviews. It really will help you gain more credential and should boost your call volume.